our beloved Imam, Shah Rahim al-Husseini, arrived in Canada. He was accompanied by his two sons, Prince Sinan and Prince Irfan. Seeing them at the airport brought immense joy to the Jamat and Ismaili leaders. Our beloved Imam received a grand welcome at the airport. Later, the mayor of Calgary, Jeremy Farkas, presented the traditional white hats.
Our beloved Imam began an important series of meetings that reflected a shared vision for the future. One of the first official meetings was with Alberta Premier Danielle Smith and other senior government leaders. The discussion focused on how the Ismaili Imamat in the province of Alberta can continue working together to improve people's lives. They talked about better health care, affordable housing, quality education, and creating more opportunities for skills and jobs. This partnership is not new. It has been growing since a cooperation agreement was signed in 2012. Over the years, this friendship has led to meaningful projects that continue to benefit communities across Alberta. Two well-known examples are the beautiful Aga Khan Garden at the University of Alberta, Botanic Garden, and Generations Calgary, both representing the positive relationship between Alberta and the Ismaili Imamat. After the main meeting, our beloved Imam also met with several provincial ministers and members of the Jamat, making the visit even more meaningful. These meetings were not only about today's challenges, they also reflected a shared commitment to building stronger communities and creating a better future through cooperation, respect, and service. As the visit continued, another unforgettable moment arrived. At the BMO Center in Calgary, our beloved Imam blessed the Edmonton and Prairies community with two special blessings. The atmosphere was filled with happiness, gratitude, and excitement as thousands of followers gathered to receive this special blessing. At the end of each session, the Jamat proudly presented a unique artistic gift to our beloved Imam. The first presentation celebrated the power of knowledge and learning. It featured a beautifully designed wooden display filled with books, cultural fabrics, and meaningful items that reflected the many backgrounds and traditions within the Jamat. The message was simple yet powerful. Reading helps people learn, grow, and better understand one another. The second presentation focused on kindness, compassion, and caring across generations. It included a creative artwork made from many community photographs, along with 50 symbolic raindrops representing promises made by young people to serve and care for others. The display also shared inspiring words from elders, while a larger raindrop at the center reminded everyone of Allah's endless mercy. These thoughtful presentations reflected the Jamat's love, creativity, and deep appreciation for the guidance of our beloved Imam.
सर पे है ताजे इमामत अलम गोया जुल्फ़िख़र रौनक़ तख़्ते खिलाफत ज़ीबे मिंबर कौन है कौन है कौन है कौन है कौन है नूरे पाके शाह करीम